Hey everybody, Clay with Low Country Foundation Repair here. I'm getting ready to inspect this crawl space, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the issues that might be affecting your home without you knowing it. First and foremost, did you know that 40 to 50% of the air that you breathe in your home comes from your crawl space? One of the first things we're going to take a look at here, and one of the first signs, is mold growth. So you have mold growth here on the paper as well as on the joists. As we pan back, we can see that saturated insulation has began to fall, also very common. Next thing we'll do is we'll take a look at your vapor barrier. This is a very common vapor barrier, just sort of thrown on the ground. A lot of moisture still getting through. Then we'll take a look at the relative humidity. All this goes back to relative humidity. Mold can grow anytime the relative humidity is above 60%. And in the South and in Georgia, we have a lot of humidity. If you're having any musty smells in the house, cold floors, mold in closets or in the bathroom, or if you just feel like maybe your crawl space needs an upgrade, please give us a call today and we'll be glad to come out and give you a free inspection. Thank you.